Mommy, I don't think I can sleep tonight.
Why, honey? Are you afraid of ghosts? You can come over to my room and sleep with me.
No, it is not because of the ghost. I feel so happy for the trip tomorrow. I cannot wait to have a great camping trip with my friends.
Oh, that's right. I almost forgot about your camping. Did you repair everything you needed?
I did repair some, but I am not sure if they are enough or not.
What have you repaired already, Lucy?
I repaired a warm coat and some toys. Oh, and I also took the hand sanitizer. Is it okay, Mommy?
It doesn't seem to be enough for me. Let me help you with that. We can get ready for the backpack together. First of all, tell me, where are you going camping tomorrow?
At Blackwood, in the White Mountain National Forest. My teacher, Miss Michelle, said that the place is marvelous. It has got 6,000 lakes and ponds with 33,000 miles of rivers and streams. And especially, the forest is full of pine trees. I love pine trees. I will collect some pine cones for our Christmas tree.
Oh, I just searched for some pictures of that place on Google. Like your teacher said, the place is glorious. I wish I could come with you.
You can, Mommy. Miss Michelle said parents can register to come with the kids. You can do it online through my school website.
Yes, I know, but I am going to have a really important meeting with my bosses tomorrow. They are from Hong Kong. So, what else did your teacher say about the camping site?
She asked us to stay close to each other and we are not allowed to play near the rivers.
Yes, that is right. You have to take care of yourself, okay? I cannot stay side by side with you all the time. I believe that you know what you should do.
I understand, Mommy. You don't have to worry about me.
So, how many students are there in the trip?
There are 10 students and 3 teachers. Some of my friends cannot join because the parent did not let them. I feel so glad that you agreed to let me go camping with my class.
Why did the parent disagree to let them join?
Because they read on the internet about some drowning cases near the lake. And they do not feel safe about their kids. I guess they were right because their kids are kind of active and stubborn sometimes. But I'm not like that. I always pay attention to the adult.
Oh, my little girl is growing up. Love you, babe.
I love you too, Mom. Okay, can you help me with my backpack? I don't know what to bring.
Sure, let me see. First, you will need a hat in case it is sunny and hot. You also need sunscreens for your skin. You don't want to get a tan skin, do you? Next, we need a bottle of repellent to get rid of the obnoxious mosquitoes.
Can I bring my pinky hat? I love that one.
Of course you can. I put it in the bottom drawer of the closet. Please take it out and put it in your backpack.
Okay, right away.
I will take my repellent. Yours is out of date.
What else do we need, Mommy?
We will need some extra clothes, but don't take too much. A t-shirt, a pant, and a thin coat is enough.
Why do we need extra clothes?
I think you will have many outdoor activities with your teachers and your friends. Then you may get dirty and you want to change your clothes.
Oh, that makes sense. Thank you, Mom. I had never thought about that.
Is your smartwatch fully charged?
Yes, I guess.
I want you to keep your watch beside you all the time. Can you do it? If there is an emergency, call me immediately.
Yes. Should I bring a water bottle?
Why not? You probably need a lot of water in a running day like that. You can ask your teacher to refill your bottle if it is empty, alright? Don't be thirsty.
Will you repair my lunchbox in the morning, Mommy?
Certainly. What do you want to pack?
I don't have any idea. What do you think would be the best?
There are many options for you. You can choose between sandwiches or small cheeseburger.
I want sandwiches, Mom. What do we have for dessert?
Apple, darling. I will cut them into slices. Do you want to bring some to share with your friend?
Yes, sharing is caring. My best friend Tina told me that she would share me some shrimp that her mom makes for her. I will exchange my apple for some shrimp.
It sounds great. Now it is time to go to sleep already, babe. You need to sleep early to have enough energy for the big day. Good night.
Thank you, Mommy. Please turn off the light. See you in the morning.
Good morning, my beautiful princess. Are you ready for the camping?
Yes, Mom. I had everything with me. Where's my lunchbox?
Here, and these are your apple. I wish you a fantastic day.
Yep, thanks. I am sure it is.
Your school bus has arrived. Hurry, Lucy. Bye-bye, sweetheart.
Bye, Mom. Love you. Mwah.
5 minutes later.
Lucy, what happened? I thought you got on the bus already. You forgot something?
No, Mom.
Why do you look so sad? Was something wrong? You are not feeling well?
No.
Then what happened to you? Why do you come back?
Everyone on the bus was laughing at me. It was so embarrassing.
But why?
Today is not a camping day. We just looked at the wrong day.
Huh? Wrong day?
Yes, the camping day is tomorrow. But I was so excited, so I thought it is today. Everyone laughed at me because I am wearing like a nerd to school.
Hi, Mr. Kevin. Please try ahead. We are having a small problem here. I will drive Lucy to school by myself. Thank you so much and sorry.
I feel so bad, Mommy. Can I stay home today?
It is okay, Lucy. As a human being, we make mistakes sometimes. It is not a big deal. Take it easy on you.
How silly I am.
No, don't say that. It's funny. And by the way, you repaired your backpack already, so we don't have to do it tonight. Instead of that, I can take you to the cinema to see your favorite movie. And tomorrow, you still have your exciting day. How about that?
Yes, Mommy. Thank you so much. You are the best mom ever. I will go change my clothes now. Will you drive me to school?
Sure. Don't forget your lunchbox and your apple. And don't run, Lucy.